Hi, my name's Lance Avery. I'm the founder of Big Fork. Today we've got sausage rolls. So I'm using our hickory and applewood bacon sausage and some puff pastry. It's a really simple appetizer here. Here's what to do. So first I have a sheet of puff pastry here. I'm gonna cut it in half. That's about half right there. And then I'm gonna put part of that. And on that same cutting board, I'm gonna use 2 lengths of sausage. I'm gonna cut off just trim the ends here just a touch to square them off, just like a 1/4 of an inch here. If you have a dog, that's a nice little treat for a dog. Or you can always just cut yourself. There you go. See how those roll up? All right, that works out perfectly. Now I have 1 egg and 1 tablespoon water. I mix that together. I just brush the top of the puff pastry here. That's kind of like, it's like a little bit of like a glue. And I take my sausage at the edge here. All I have to do here is just roll it up like so, like that. There you go. Now you have your sausage roll. Now, we're gonna put this seam side down because that will help it seal as well. And you can round off the ends here if you want, or you can also just cut them off, okay? Now, what I'd like to do here is now cut these individually in about that's about an inch long, bite-sized pieces here. And there we go. That's the end of that sausage there. And we'll do this one as well. Okay, we'll leave that one there. Now, these are all lined up. Now I take that egg wash, brush the top of this. This will make it nice and golden brown. And then, got my everything. This is an everything bagel seasoning. I'm just gonna put some on my hand there and just sprinkle it right over the top there. See that? That nice color. There we go. All right. So, next, just put it on a baking sheet. I've got an oven behind me here at 400 degrees. We'll throw it in there for around 10 to 15 minutes. When it's nice and golden brown, we'll pull it out and I'll show you how to make the sauce. All right, so our pastry bites are the sausage bites are in the oven. So it is time to make this really easy but tasty creamy mustard sauce. So what we're gonna do here is equal parts sour cream, mayo, and mustard. So you don't even need to measure. So I just got a spoon here. So 1, 2 of those. And the next 2 spoonfuls of mustard, basically. And then 2 spoonfuls of mayo. That's it. And then actually you can just use that spoon, mix it up till combined. And this is a sauce that can last several days in the fridge. And then you can pour it out. You can use it. It's a good sauce for sandwiches, but it's really tasty with the sausage pastry bites. Okay, we'll be back when it's all ready to go. All right, let's see in the oven here. All right, so these have been in for just over 15 minutes. They are looking great. See how that's nice and flaky there? All I'm doing is I'm gonna put it right on the serving dish. It's gonna be nice and hot. Let these cool for a couple of minutes, but you definitely wanna serve them warm. It's a warm appetizer. But just kind of sprinkle it around the serving tray. And then I'm gonna have my daughter try it out. Tallulah, thank you for filming. Here you go.
Okay.
You tell me how it is.
That's good.
Yeah, gotta try the sauce.
That's good.
All right, guys. Well, thanks so much. We'll see you around.